Hey everybody, welcome back to Dad Does Videos. We got a quick hitter for you today. As you can see here, I have a Legrand Adorn, just standard outlet, 15 volt outlet that I'm putting in and replacing some older outlets in my house. What I wanted to show you though is if you have a situation where one of these outlets that you see here controls maybe a light you could turn on at the wall or somewhere else where you don't want to have the power to both of these on at the same time all the time, you can make that change on the back. So the way that you do that, and every outlet, it doesn't have to be this one specifically, but every outlet typically has this little tab right here that basically what you do is you just have to break that, and then it'll break the current to both switches at the same time. So that way you can control one of these outlets on here, one of the plugs. You can control those from the wall or a different switch, so the power doesn't have to be on to both of these at the same time. And the way you do that, you just get, as you can see right here, you just get some needle nose pliers and get in there and kind of wiggle back and forth. And I'm not sure how long this is going to take, but you just, as you can see here, I'm just going to kind of wiggle back and forth until this breaks, and then it breaks the current. Okay, so this is what this looks like after I broke it. So as you can see here, we've got this piece up here that's kind of off, and then this other piece right here that's sticking out of the back. You can see it's just broken apart. Just plug this into the wall like you typically would, connect it per your directions, and you should be able to control one of these outlets on here, one of the plugs, with a switch on the wall.